It's that time again where we do our human oil change. Point one, hit it. Looks pretty good oil.
That goes in, what comes out?
You don't want to know.
What changes?
We're gonna go learn something new today. Thanks to my friends over at Rain City Motorsports, they're gonna teach me how to change my oil. And for all those people who enjoy a good content vlog, I'm going to film one of those today. And it's been so long since I've planned an actual little collab vid. I'm making videos again and it's so much fun! I'm so excited. Okay, what else do we need? I need to move my car off of the trailer and the other car onto the trailer. Let's do that. So today it's not about the 350Z. Can you believe it? Swapping from this car to this car. I forgot my keys in the car, I think. Oh no, it's in my pocket. Oh wow, I didn't even take the things out yet. That would've been so good. I was excited and I was about to take it off and I hadn't even put this out. I swear y'all are only watching for the fails. My door is lower than my other car, so I just need to squeeze. The fun part about the Miata, because it is so little, you have to kind of do everything smaller, like put these into a different area because the tires are closer together than my 350. So normally for my 350, I would have this here, so we had to move it over a little bit.
No worries about hitting the wheel wells though.
I know, it was like so easy to get on. As you guys know, I hit my door the other day. My dragon. It put a gap in my window. So in order for rain possibly not get in, because it might rain, this is what we do. Is it the right way?
Where's the zipper on the side? Yeah, this is the right way.
This is the right way.
This is the way. That Miata's following us so close behind.
Why are they tailgating me? I like their car though. Here we are. Let's go see the guys. Hey. This is Zach, everybody. He has helped me many a times on my car and fixed my car. And this is Travis, which I don't know if I ever had you in my vlog, Travis.
I don't know.
I
At the track one day.
Oh yeah, probably at the track. This is the star of the show, Diesel. Hey Diesel, come here. Come here, buddy. Hi. Shop dog. He knows where to be. Let's do this.
The seat goes back, eh? Oh yeah.
I think I pushed it all the way back.
Well, my head is on the roof.
You literally
Really comfortable.
This is so cool. You guys are letting me do so much cool stuff. Is it gonna go into my eyeballs? What is gonna happen? Cool. Okay, we're good. That was less scary than I thought it was gonna be. This is so cool. So then it goes in, all the way down, and then what do you guys do with this after? They drink it. Pretty good oil. It's looking good. Okay guys, we're mid oil change. We're just letting it drain. Took that piece out, and it goes in here, and then they get rid of it. I didn't grow up learning how to do anything with cars. I love driving them. I don't know how any of this stuff works. So the guys over at Rain City are teaching me literally how to do this, and it's so cool. I just took out the oil filter, and I'm not gonna lie, I just told them that I thought the oil filter was literally a cloth filter, but they didn't make me feel dumb about it because they said inside is a cloth filter. So I wasn't completely dumb, all right? Okay? Zach said that he's gonna show me what the inside of my filter looks like, but first we have to see if this is going to even work. What's your plan here, Zach?
Hope for the best.
What is it that you have, a chain?
It's it's meant for exhaust, but it should work for this, okay? No, it doesn't. Even if you just break a little bit, I can just take my chin snips and open it up.
Oh snap. Oh, you were so close. Old fashioned way now, guys. This is gonna be their longest oil change of their life because we keep distracting them with stuff. This is what's inside.
Yeah, so you can look in between for any metallic material or anything like that, see what's going through your engine.
So you just go in between and this is what kind of diagnoses some stuff?
So the oil goes from around to the inside, gets pulled through the inside, so any particles or metal or anything is gonna get kept in the filter. But
oh, cool.
this one's super clean.
That, whoever's vehicle that is, you're doing good job. Good job. Talking's hard.
Pretty much is just a coffee filter.
Really? Well, see, I wasn't wrong, guys. It's like a coffee filter. So what mechanic thing are you doing right now, Travis?
Now?
Yeah. He's filling this because this is part of the oil change where he throws the garbage out. Guys, it's for the video. This isn't how you change your oil. This is the fun part. Wait, no, the oil change is the fun part too. It's all fun. And I'm gonna show you guys what this is gonna look like. I'm just gonna throw this to him.
Yeah, and it's just underhand, so it comes in like this.
Okay.
He catches it and throws over his head. Everybody ready?
Ready?
Rolling and action.
Okay, back to changing oil. That's what we were doing. Okay, guys, stop distracting us. Can't believe you guys are trusting me to do this.
It's your car.
I guess it's my car. Okay, be cool, be chill. Why is it taking so long? Yeah.
What's happening?
I found a piece of tape, electrical tape, that was kind of just hanging there. So I asked Rain City to steal some electrical tape so that I could put it back together. I saw while we're doing the oil change. This is why you should probably check your car. You know, it's technical stuff. And then you just rip it off if you had the strength to. We're done. Bye. Bye. I think I drained them from all the movie making. We finished the oil change. We made a fun video. Car's on the thing. And I can almost guarantee I probably forgot something. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nope.
Nope. Rag.
I just put a rag over there. That was so much fun. I learned so much, you guys. I love learning, but I love learning when I get to do it. And I got to do it. And it makes me so happy. You have no idea. It doesn't stop there today with the car content. We have a bunch of stuff that we have to do for tomorrow. Get my 350Z that I took off my trailer today into Trevor's trailer, and then we need to keep my Miata on my trailer and then bring them over to Mission Raceway because I have been invited for an event that is happening tomorrow. So I'm gonna go drop it all off tonight because it'll be easier for tomorrow, in theory.
When the jack built in is broken and the trailer needs to be tilted,
To get the car off and in?
otherwise it high centers. This damage here,
Yes.
that's when not tilted enough.
Ah, this is what could happen to your trailer that you're gonna get after all these drift videos. Are you wanting to know if you're gonna hit?
I am hit.
You have hit. Oh no. So you're gonna go forward? Oh no. It's just a little bit extra, but it's
Yeah.
about the same.
It gets a little extra every time. It's hard on the underside of the car.
Okay, let's see if it works this time, guys. Oh, just made it. Just made it. You just made it.
Just kissed it.
Just kissed it a little bit. Time to get my car. We covered it up. It's because I didn't realize that I needed it so soon and it could have rained while we were gone. Don't judge me. Nice, nice, nice. My turn to drive. How do you get out?
This is easy.
You gotta
Yeah.
climb it. This is so interesting, so different from my trailer. Cool.
There you have it.
There you go.
Do you want me to lift the tent?
Something like that, and then maybe I'll put the pink car right here.
Sure.
Just to give it
Yeah.
so you can see into the tent and everything.
Yeah.
So I've been invited to Mission Raceway's Yes Day and also their Girl Guides Day. They want to show kids that there's a whole bunch of different jobs that you can do with cars. I was invited as a content creator, so kids know that they can grow up and possibly do content creation. Or painting cars, like I wanted to showcase that too, because like there's so much you can do with cars if you love them. I think it's really cool what they're doing and I'm super excited to be here. Just finished setting up all of our stuff at the track. Trevor and I are on our way out. Little Milo's struggling. Oh, poor guy, come on my lap, what are you doing? Anyway, it'll be a lot of fun and I'm excited to meet the kids and talk about whatever it is the heck that I do. And I still try to figure that out every day.
Imagine explaining this to the little girl that started doing the vlogs, what this vlog is, that you're talking to the kids at a racetrack with your race cars about your stunts and acting and social media career.
Much show you every day of my life, even though I'm a little YouTube star. I'm not even a YouTube star, I'm just really little. So I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Daryl said he'll give me $50 if I can take him down. People are going to Hogwarts. Let's get out of here, guys. It's actually so wild because I could have never imagined that this is what my life would have looked like. I just don't even know anymore. Milo, we're just making it work. Thanks for joining for all the craziness today, everybody. Until next time.
There doesn't seem to be anyone driving it. What the heck?
Oh, it's one of those self-automated ones.
It is the first
AI powered.
and it just tailgates the heck out of everybody.
AI powered Miata.
So good.
Tailgate Experience Edition. I have to go to bed. I need to get going. So goodbye. I don't know how to end this.